Hi everyone, this is Chef Rohan from France, and today I will show you how to cold smoke some cheese in Kamado. I will use my Pit Boss K24 Kamado, of course, and I will also use some apple blend wood pellets. I will smoke some mozzarella di bufala. I will smoke some old prison from the Netherlands, and I will smoke some French Comté. Okay, so if you want to make cold smoking in your barbecue, you will not light the grill, of course. If the outside temperature is below 30 Celsius degrees, you will use a cold smoking tube from Pit Boss. This cold smoking tube is great because you can smoke during 2 hours or 4 hours with the same tube. So how does it work? It's easy. I will fill the tube with some applewood pellets. I will light the pellets with that creme brulee burner, and then I will put the tube in the bottom of the barbecue. So I will let the cheese smoke for between 2 and 4 hours. I've already tried with 4 hours, but I think it's a bit too much. 2 hours seems to be the perfect choice. You have to know that cold smoking with wood pellets gives a denser, heavier smoke than with wood chips. So 2 hours is great for cheese. Let's go. And now I will light my pellets, okay? So, as you can see, the barbecue is empty. I will let the pellet burn for maybe 1 or 2 minutes, and I will let the bottom damper open just to get a small airflow in the barbecue to smoke. So I will place the grates and put the cheese on the grate. This one, and the mozzarella bowl. Okay, and I will put the top damper on position 1 to get a good airflow inside the barbecue. So we're ready for 2 hours. So let's check after 2 hours and a half of cold smoking. So you can see that we have a great color on the 2 big blocks, and a bit less on the mozzarella, but it should be good. So now I will let the cheese rest in the fridge for maybe 4 or 5 days, 6 days before to eat it. So I hope you enjoyed this video on cold smoking. We will get more videos during fall and winter, of course, for cold smoking. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.